Good evening po. Ako po si Mrs. Mary Jane Dagatan, 37 years old. I'm presently living here in the state of Kuwait, and I was diagnosed with breast cancer, stage 2B, and just last December, naoperahan po ako ng didi ko, which already removed yung left na didi ko, and then also my lymph nodes. And I make this video para mag-testify po what was the effect, or what is the effect of the herbs named Buah Merah. First of all, nagpasalamat po ako doon kay Mr. Almer Reno. Nakilala ko po siya sa FB, but hindi po siya ang first talaga nagsabi sa akin, or nag-refer sa akin nitong herbal na to, which is another cancer patient po, si Ate Rosana, and then our pastor nag-share po na maganda daw ang tulog niya nitong Buah Merah. So, na-try ko po at nag-order po ako kay Mr. Almer ng 30 bottles at first. So, the effect with me is that nung una akong, sa akin lang, ang nag-effect sa akin is naging strong yung immune system ko. At it really proven talaga siya sa sinasabi niyang mag-strong yung immune system mo. Dahil as per experience of mine, talagang magandang effect on me. I started my chemo last January, February, and then March. Nag-undergone ako ng AC medication of chemo. And then I suffered a lot of its side effects, which is mouth sores, sore throat, fever, high fever, chills, and nausea, vomiting sometimes, sakit ng katawan, sakit ng ulo, andun na lahat, sabay-sabay. And I know really how weak my immune system the last 3 months, January until March, dahil very weak po ang immune system ko while I'm taking the medication. And then the fourth AC, doon na yung nagsimula ako, nag-take ng Buah Merah. So doon ko na siya na-experience na ang ganda po ng effect. Kasi the day after ako nag-chemo is that hindi ako nag-suffer ng mga side effects. Which is, nagsisimula ako nahilo. Pero sitid lang ako konti, but there's no major side effects like what I had experienced the last 3 chemos. So yun. And after my 3 AC, it followed with Taxol. So far, I have weekly Taxol. So, the last 3 Taxol, actually the third is today. Sorry, did I 3? 4. I'm sorry. No. 3? Yeah, 3 Taxol already. So, 3 Taxol, the last 2 Taxol, the following day, naglalakad ako sa treadmill and I go to work. So, ganyan siya ka-effective, ganyan siya kagaling sa katawan ko. So, again, I don't know how other people experience, if they have experienced the same, but for me, proven siya sa akin that it strengthened my immune system dahil hindi na ako nakaranas like what I had experienced. Hindi na ako masyadong inuubo, like severe coughing talaga. Hindi na ako sinisipon, hindi ako nilalagnat, at hindi ako nagsusuka. And the very best thing is that wala na akong mouth sores, wala akong sore throat. And isa pa, I suffered severe constipation. Yun talagang umiiyak talaga ako sa sakit pag pumupunta na ako sa CR. So this is really a suffering for me. Sobra ko talagang iniyakan yung constipation ko during chemo. And you know how a lot of cancer patients, this is also their suffering, is that they really suffer constipation. And guess what? Itong Buah Merah talaga nakakatulong sa akin ng napakarami dahil sobrang nakakatulong sa akin. Hindi na ako nag-suffer ng constipation. So, thank you so much sa Essentia Natural, sa chemist or sa company na nagdala ng Buah Merah sa Pilipinas. And I really thank God for these herbs kasi it really helps me. And guess what? Today is my third chemo. Yeah, today, sorry, because I still have the chemo brain. So, ang nangyari nito, yung memory ko talagang, I suffered also a little bit of my cognitive skills during the chemo. Parang hindi ako nakakapag-concentrate. But I hope this bone marrow can help me, you know, kasi it also claims na mag-improve ng memory, so I hope it will. Ano pa ba? Yung, yung bone marrow, talagang gusto ko i-refer sa mga cancer patients para makakatulong din. I did today sa isang cancer patient na i-try lang kasi sa iba dyan, i-try nyo lang. It's kung nasa Pilipinas ka, hindi naman masyadong mahal, which is really worth trying for. Kasi today I had my scan for my portacat. Actually, 3.5 months nagsuffer ako ng thrombosis. And the result of the scan today is clear. So praise God. And thank you, Bomera. I hope ikaw nakakatulong nito. And see, today it's already 11 o'clock or 10:55, quite time. And I'm sleepy already because nag-take ako ng Bomera, and also I had chemo today. After chemo, just after chemo, the moment after chemo, after chemo talaga, nag-taxi kami ng asawa ko, pumunta pa kami ng Kuwait City. We took our lunch together, tapos nagpapayos pa ako ng cellphone, and then I did my grocery. And see, this is how Bomera helped me. A moment after chemotherapy, I go here and there, gumagala sandali, and then I came home, tutor my son. And now I'm still, see, do I look sick? I'm not sick. I'm not sick. I'm healthy. And I'm about to sleep, and tomorrow I will share with you a video or update you, or maybe I can make a video that I'm gonna walk in a treadmill. I will show you that I'm really not suffering with the side effects of chemo. And hope in a couple of months I can also share a video the results of the scans, or na pagkatapos ng mga Taxol medication ko, which will happen after June. So I hope it will show a negative result that I'm already cancer free, hopefully in God's will. So that's it. Thank you, Essentia Natural. I hope I said the company name right. And Mr. Almer and your upline, thank you very much. As I said, I'm gonna order more, of course, because this will be my daily juice. So you guys there, yung may mga sakit may mga cancer, or anyone that nagki-chemotherapy, try it kasi mahina po ang immune system natin. And for me talaga, I am doing this video para makatulong din po sa mga pasyente. And guess what? My mother also and my sister also has a stage 3 cancer. And she's taking also this medication, and I will update you as well kung ano ang resulta sa katawan niya ng Bomera. So again, sa inyo dyan, try a couple of bottles. It's not so expensive. Kasi sa akin, nag-strong yung immune system ko. So, yun lang ang may testify ko ngayon. And I'm not suffering a lot of the side effects that the chemo medication can do to your body after you infuse the medicine in your body, like what I had experienced the last 3 months. So, thank you again. Thank you sa mga staff, sa Essentia Natural Company, and to the chemists for bringing it to our country. Thank you so much. Good night.